This demonstration we're going to have a look at creating an application from an MSI file and then modifying the application once we've created it. We've come into our System Center Configuration Manager admin console. We've come to Software Library. Within Software Library we're going to go to Application Management. Then within Application Management we're going to come to Applications. We'll right click and we'll create an application. This will bring us into Wizard. So within the Wizard we are going to create an application from an MSI file. Next thing we need to do is we just need to browse through and specify the location for the MSI file. And my software is in //lon-cfg /software /msi_files /xlviewer and we're going to use xlview.msi for the file. Now we've done that, we'll select our next button. That's going to go away, just import the file. And as you can see, that's now been successful, so we'll select next. That brings us to the general information, and all we need to do at this point here is just fill in some of the information on the general page. And the information I'm going to use here under administrator comments, we're going to call that XLViewer program. Software version is going to be 12.0.4518.1069, and I've put that into an admin category called viewer. Now we've done all of this, we can select next. Brings us to a summary page. We're happy with the summary. We'll select next and we'll allow this to progress. Then we'll select close. We now have our application. So if we just right click on the application, what we can do here is we can come into the properties. So we'll just go to the properties. And then what we get is we get some tabs associated with the application. So just on the general information page, what we can see here is we can see all of the information that we just filled out. What we can also do as well is we could specify things like date published, allow this application to be installed from the install application task sequence without being deployed. Then what we'll do is we'll just come to the application catalog. So within the application catalog we can see the selected language, we can see the localized application name. One of the things we might want to do here is we might want to put in something like keywords for this application. So if we just go to keywords. And what we want to do here, just in the keywords, we'll specify spreadsheet. We may decide to change the icon, so let's just select our browse button. And all we'll do here is go to our C drive. On our C drive, we'll go for Windows. We'll go to the System32 folder. So we'll scroll this down a little bit, just find System32. And within System32, we'll just look for a file called image.res.dll. And we'll just select open. And what we'll do is we'll just find an icon that looks something like a spreadsheet. I'm not going to spend too much time looking through every single one. We'll find something that could sort of be a spreadsheet, let's say padlock. And we'll select OK. And finally what we'll do here is we'll just specify a category for users. We'll create a new category and we'll put this into a category called viewers. And we'll select OK. And OK again. Don't think we'll bother displaying this as a featured app and highlighting the company portal, but if we have a look, we've got the references tab. So this would just be, as it says, is referenced or superseded by a different application. We've got our distribution settings, so distribution priority can be medium. We distribute the content of the package to preferred distribution points, and we've also got our pre-staged content as well. So currently manually copy the content to the distribution point, so we'd have to create a pre-staged file at this point. But we can download only content changes or automatically download the content when the package is assigned. Under deployment types, so yep, we've got the application at this point here. It's the only one. Content location, currently haven't put on a distribution point. It's not going to supersede any applications, and we can see who can look after the application. So at this point here, we'll just select OK. And at this point, we've now created an application from an MSI file and modified some of the properties. That's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.